Are you ready to jumpstart your fitness journey with a quick and effective workout? Welcome to our 10-minute full-body workout for beginners. This routine is designed to fit into your busy schedule while still providing a comprehensive workout that targets all major muscle groups. Whether you're new to fitness or getting back into it, this workout is perfect for you. No equipment is needed, and you can do it anywhere. All you need is a little space and a positive attitude. In this workout, we'll guide you through a series of simple yet powerful exercises that will get your heart rate up, strengthen your muscles, and improve your overall fitness. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and begin our journey towards a healthier, fitter you. But before we begin, let's talk about why a full-body workout is so beneficial, especially for beginners. Full-body workouts engage multiple muscle groups at once, making them highly efficient. This means you can maximize your workout results in a shorter amount of time. Additionally, working out different parts of your body helps prevent imbalances and ensures you develop strength and endurance uniformly. Warm-up. Before we get into the main workout, it's essential to warm up our bodies. Warming up helps increase blood flow to your muscles, reduces the risk of injury, and prepares your body for more intense activity. Let's spend the next couple of minutes doing a thorough warm-up to ensure we're ready to tackle the exercises ahead. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles, gradually making them larger. This movement warms up your shoulders and arms, which are essential for many of the exercises we'll be doing. Torso twists, 30 seconds. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips. Gently twist your torso from side to side, loosening up your spine and core. This helps prepare your body for movements that require flexibility and range of motion. High knees, 30 seconds. Stand tall and lift your knees towards your chest one at a time, as if you are running in place. This gets your heart rate up and warms up your legs. Try to bring your knees as high as you can, maintaining a steady pace. Leg swings, 30 seconds. Hold onto a wall or chair for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward in a controlled motion, then switch to the other leg. This helps loosen up your hip flexors and legs, which are crucial for exercises like squats and lunges. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. This is a great way to get your entire body moving and ready for the workout. Feeling warmed up? Great. Now that our muscles are ready, let's move on to the main workout. Main workout, 1,000 words. This main workout consists of 5 exercises, each lasting 1 minute. We'll keep things simple but effective, ensuring a balanced full-body workout. Make sure to maintain proper form and breathe steadily throughout each exercise. We'll provide detailed instructions and tips for each exercise to help you get the most out of your workout. Jumping jacks, 2 minutes. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Keep a steady pace and focus on your breathing. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and engage multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms. If you need a lower impact option, step out 1 foot at a time instead of jumping. Focus on making your movements smooth and controlled, and try to increase your speed gradually as you get more comfortable. Bodyweight squats, 2 minutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body into a squat position by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, as if you are sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats are excellent for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core. Make sure to go as low as comfortable while maintaining good form. If you need support, use a chair or wall for balance. To add an extra challenge, you can hold the squat position for a few seconds at the bottom before standing back up. Push-ups, 2 minutes. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position. Push-ups are great for building upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you're a beginner, you can modify by dropping to your knees or doing wall push-ups. Focus on keeping your core tight and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Try to perform each push-up with control and avoid letting your hips sag. Alternating lunges, 2 minutes. Stand tall with your feet together. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at 90-degree angles. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and switch legs. Lunges are effective for working your legs and glutes while also improving balance. Ensure your front knee does not go past your toes and keep your torso upright. To add variety, you can perform reverse lunges by stepping backward instead of forward. This variation targets your muscles differently and keeps the workout interesting. Plank, 2 minutes. Get into a forearm plank position, with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position. Planks are an excellent core exercise that also strengthens your shoulders and back. Focus on keeping your body straight and avoid letting your hips sag. If holding the plank position becomes too challenging, you can drop your knees to the ground while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. This modification still engages your core effectively. Cool down, great job. Now let's cool down to help your body recover and reduce muscle soreness. Cooling down is just as important as warming up, so let's take a couple of minutes to stretch and relax. Standing forward bend, 30 seconds. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward at the hips, reaching for your toes. Let your head hang and feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Take deep breaths and relax into the stretch. Quad stretch, 30 seconds. Stand tall and use a wall or chair for support if needed. Grab your right ankle with your right hand and pull it towards your glutes, keeping your knees together. Hold the stretch and feel it in the front of your thigh. Switch to the left leg after 15 seconds. Shoulder stretch, 30 seconds. Bring your right arm across your chest and hold it with your left hand, feeling the stretch in your shoulder. Hold for 15 seconds and switch to the left arm. This helps to release any tension built up in your shoulders from the workout. Child's pose, 30 seconds. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward on the ground. Lower your forehead to the floor and relax in this position, feeling the stretch in your back and shoulders. Breathe deeply and let your body relax. Cat-cow stretch, 30 seconds. Get on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale and arch your back, cow pose. Then exhale and round your spine, cat pose. Repeat this movement a few times to stretch your spine and improve flexibility. Congratulations, you've completed our 10-minute full-body workout for beginners. By taking just 10 minutes out of your day, you've made a positive step towards improving your fitness and overall health. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate this workout into your routine a few times a week to see the best results. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a new workout. Thank you for watching.